If you're preparing for your driving test, this is the perfect place to practice and sharpen your knowledge. Let's begin. What does this sign indicate? You may go straight or turn right. This traffic sign indicates a yield sign ahead. The broken white lines on the pavement mean that passing is allowed if done safely. This sign is used for showing alternate routes during road closures and construction. What does this sign mean? Telephone service is available ahead. What does this sign mean? A railroad crossing ahead. This sign indicates that vehicles on the left must turn left, and vehicles on the right may go straight or turn right. This sign indicates the road ahead curves left. What does this sign indicate? A side road at a railroad crossing. What does this signal mean? Do not walk. What does this sign mean? Traffic must make a left turn only. What does this sign indicate? You are 444 miles from the state line or the end of this road. When can you drive in a lane at which this sign is posted? Only if you are carrying at least one passenger. If you see this sign while you're driving in the left lane, you must turn left. This reflective triangular orange sign represents a slow-moving vehicle. These pavement markings indicate vehicles must not cross the solid yellow line except to turn left. What does this sign indicate? The maximum allowable speed in a school zone when children are present. This sign indicates that exit number 117 is ahead. What does this sign mean? The maximum speed limit at night is 45 km/h. This sign is an object marker on a roadway. This sign indicates a sharp turn. This posted sign is a speed limit sign on expressways. What does this sign mean? Do not make a right turn. This steady red X signal over a lane on a highway indicates that you must not drive in this lane. A diamond-shaped sign is a road hazard sign. A red and white triangular sign at an intersection means slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary. Before you reach the intersection, when crossing railroad tracks in slow traffic, you should wait until you can completely cross the tracks before you proceed. When you hear the siren or see the flashing red light of a closely approaching emergency vehicle, and you are not in the intersection, you should drive to the right edge of the road and stop. You may not double park. There are no exceptions. When you enter a freeway, you should check traffic by using all mirrors, and turning your head. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Ocean for more practice tests and driving tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your driving journey.